India's very own one-stop solution for agricultural irrigation and implements, industrial power and water resources, and marine engines and gearbox, Topland. Founded in the year 1973 in Rajkot, Gujarat, we are today amongst the leading manufacturers and service providers in agricultural, industrial, and marine sector. We also provide a wide range of services in the domestic segment. With over 650 dealers and 20 distributors spread across India and 200 dealers worldwide, we are constantly striving and building for a brighter tomorrow. We are India's #1 expert brand in water and power sourcing. Recipients of Engineering Export Promotion Council Star Performer Award for 4 consecutive years, we believe in integrity, accountability, excellence, performance, and efficiency. We believe in creation and innovation. We believe in transparency and clarity. We believe in passion and we have a purpose. We believe in accuracy and performance. With 9 ultra-modern plants and over 730 determined employees, we are incessantly marching towards our Vision 2020. We here have an unparalleled number of models of pump sets, more than 1800 precisely designed and successfully tested. We've had a significant contribution in irrigation and water and power requirements. Our marine services have been catering the needs on a larger scale as well as of small fishermen and boats. Topland believes in service to the nation by offering a quality and high-performing products to the ultimate users who are small farmers and investing their hard-earned money into the implements to cater to their need of irrigation and farming. Topland is a one-stop solution to farmers' need and a one-stop solution for fishermen for their marine applications. Our tractor implements are of high quality and enduring. The tractor implements like PTO-operated frames deliver high performance at the lowest cost and with least fuel. These implements are patented products and are only one company holds such patents across India. Our electric motors serve all types of industrial and domestic requirements. Our wires and cables cover a wide range of agricultural, industrial, and domestic needs. Topland is catering to the needs of many big brands and by acting as either OE or supplying goods in their brands. The group, founded in the early 70s with a trade name Patel Field Marshal, was later converted to a corporate under the banner Topland. Today, we are multi-winged organizations with ISO 9001-2008 certifications, with maximum number of ISI marked series of engines and pumps, and only one company having 2-star in pumping set in India, and CE marked products which is recognized in many European countries. Topland is pioneers in developing stationary diesel engines, diesel pumping sets, marine diesel engines and gearbox, alternators, electric motors, electric monoblock, centrifugal pumps, open well pumps, submersible pumps, diesel generating sets, wires, cables, PVC, LD, UPVC column, all types of pipes and various other LED spares and accessories. All Topland products are manufactured in Rajkot and Metoda plant under one roof with 90% of sale through dealers, distributors and rest through direct customer transfer. Company enjoys high reputation in export market and 45 to 50% of turnover is obtained through export directly and earning precious foreign exchange for the nation. We, here at Topland, strive to create value and make a difference. We have a total of 9 ultra-modern plants all located in Rajkot and Metoda. Our headquarters too are located in Rajkot, Gujarat. The group has one exclusive department of research and development equipped with high technocrats and professional people to design and develop the best performing products. Topland is a multi-locational company and has its own branches at Jaipur, Rajasthan, Agra, Uttar Pradesh, Guwahati, Assam, and Jharkhand in Haryana. Over the years, we have had countless successful partnerships and have a name built for coherence and standard. The group is also engaged in land development and real estate. It also enjoys the same brand equity and image among the community as mark of quality, and people have deep faith in the product delivered by the group. The group has exported Topland products to over 56 countries around the globe, with primary sales in Egypt, Iraq, Nigeria, Ghana, Turkey, Senegal, Burkina Faso, Botswana, Iran, Kenya, Philippines, Germany, and the United States of America. Our primary sales in domestic market includes Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Punjab and Haryana, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, and West Bengal. Being a family-owned company and managed by three brothers, serving respectively in finance, marketing, and technical departments, we have it all: experience, leadership, and direction. Topland is a high-aiming group with a slogan, हर धरती को हरा बनाए, हर किसान को बड़ा बनाए, which means promising a green earth and empowering every farmer. Our relationship with both our customers and employees is dear and very near to us. We believe in understanding application and delivering right product for right application. We are grateful and we yearn to serve and strive. Come, let us march towards a brighter tomorrow. Come, let us build a better today. Topland, the flag bearers of change and innovation.